Oh, friends, I parked here. This makes. Oh, I also parked here. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles serially arranged. All are nice and beautiful models. So now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. First one is here, a DS Tronton car. Let's go. Oh friends, I parked here my first vehicle DS Tronton car. This is yellow, black and silver color combination. Next one is here a mixer truck. Friends, I parked here this mixer truck beside the DS Tronton car. This is realistic model yellow, black and white color combination 8-wheeler mixer truck. Another one is here a water tanker. I parked here this water tanker. This is also a realistic model, red, black and white color combination. Now I will drive this 6-wheeler police jeep. I parked here this police jeep beside this water tanker. This is 6-wheeler white and black color combination. So friends, one by one, already 4 vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And another 3 vehicles here. Now I will drive this fire helicopter. Oh, I also parked here this fire helicopter. This is realistic model red and black color combination helicopter. Next one is here a military tanker. I parked here this military tanker. This is a green and black color combination. Last one is here a fire truck. I also drive this one. I also parked here this fire truck. This is a red, black and white color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles and drive and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.
You'll never beat me!
Oh no! It's dangerous to go that fast!
Ooh, that's not bad.